Good job, buddy.
What's in that one? That one came apart, huh? Let's see what's in this one. Can you see what's in that one? It fell out. Let's see, 3, 4. How many did you hide, Chris?
One more.
There's one more by the motorcycle.
Okay, we have to look for one more. Okay? Put that egg in there.
Carter.
There's one over there, buddy.
One over here.
Put your egg in your basket, bud.
Put it in there. Where's the other one at?
I'm happy.
Yeah. The candy fell out.
You better hurry up or you'll run out of
Where's the other one at?
on the motorcycle.
Let's go by Daddy, by Grandpa's motorcycle. Here. Let's go by Grandpa's motorcycle and look for one. Where's an egg?
Green egg.
Yeah, do you see it by Grandpa's motorcycle? Alright, I'll fix it. On Grandpa's motorcycle. See it?
Yay, Carter! Yeah.
Find all your eggs, buddy.
Say, show Daddy your basket. Show Daddy your basket. Bite,
Come here.
bite. Show Daddy your basket.
Show Daddy how many eggs you got, buddy. Come show Daddy.
What do you got there, bud? You have eggs?
Show Mommy your eggs.
I have eggs.
Show Mommy the
Grandma has
eggs.
chocolate.
Yeah.
Ooh, looks good.
Anyway. Another bite?
We don't have to bribe you to eat that, do we?
We like Easter.
You can set it up
Alright.
here, okay? That one, they're starting to melt.
More.
Now ask Mommy if you can have more.
Is there one with jelly beans in it, maybe?
No, they must all be upstairs. I mean, up in the house there.
Oh, okay.
These are all chocolate, so I'll go get him one though.
Come over here, stand by the steps so Mommy can get you in the video. There you go.
Daddy
What does Daddy have behind his back?
That is Daddy. Whoa!
Big egg.
Oh,
That's a
jeez.
big egg. Should I open it?
Hey.
You have to wear the bunny ears.
Look what Grandma and Grandpa got for you. Grandpa picked that out.
You only get your stuff if you wear the bunny ears.
Oh,
Carter,
cute.
look. Look, Carter.
Years from now.
Who's this? Who's this?
Oh, the movie Tigger. We'll have to watch that.
Who's this? I
Carter.
don't care.
A peanut. A bunny.
It's a bunny. You're
Hey,
right.
who's this?
Yeah, McKenna, you found your eggs.
Movie.
Experimenting.
But who's that?
Elmo. Who?
Who's that?
Yeah.
No, who's
Get
that?
them out.
Who's that?
Elmo.
That's
Who's this?
right.
Is this Tigger?
Who's that one?
Is there Pooh? Is Winnie the Pooh on there?
Blue.
Oh, more eggs.
Well, yeah, I knew there was something inside of them.
Oh, that one's cute.
I know, I love those eggs.
The plastic's still on it. What? Oh,
And
thank
McKenna
you.
with her unicorn ponytail that Daddy put in.
Keep her out of her eyes. Huh?
Oh, let's see what's in that one. What do you think? What do you think's in there? More M&Ms, I think. Can Mom ask Mommy if you can have some?
I'm not, Mommy.
Yeah, ask Daddy.
Fun size. You had enough chocolate already?
If you want to give him a couple of those, that's fine with me.
Oh, are you cheating, little girl?
Hey, McKenna, come here.
Yeah.
Get you something.
Do you want what's inside?
Candy inside of yours too, McKenna.
Give that to Grandpa.
So go get the little. Where's the little lollipop actually?
Papa.
They're inside. They don't have wrappers on.
No, that's right. They could eat them. Just bite size.
You want to share your candy with everybody?
Hey.
I don't know that, buddy. You want the truth?
You share?
Oh.
Miss Emery.
Hold on. There's nothing in that one. What happened?
Ate it already.
You must think there's only one in that pack.
Oh no!
It's fine if he thinks that.
You more?
No, he wants more.
Oh, let me see. You have to wear this though for a little bit, and then I'll look. Okay. Look over
He's
this
got a
way.
pack of M&Ms over there.
Oh. We'll save that for later, okay? Should we save it for later?
Oh,
I don't want it.
you giving it to Polly? That's very nice of you to give your stuff away.